Welcome to Bitunix Academy. In this quick guide, we'll show you the different order types available for futures trading on the Bitunix app and how to use each one effectively. Bitunix supports several types of orders, including market orders, limit orders, and trigger orders. Each order type is designed to fit different trading strategies and market conditions. A market order executes immediately at the best available market price. It is useful when you want to enter or exit a position quickly. However, because prices can change rapidly, the final execution price might differ slightly from the current display price. Example: if BTC is trading at 103,200 USDT and you want to buy it right away, simply place a market order. Your order will be executed instantly at the best price available. On the Bitunix app, open the Futures Trading page. Select Market under the order type, enter your quantity, and tap Buy Long or Sell Short to confirm. A limit order lets you set a specific price where you want to buy or sell. The trade will only be executed when the market reaches that price, giving you more control over your entry or exit point. Example: if BTC is trading at 132,000 USDT and you want to buy it at 100,000 USDT, place a limit buy order at 100,000 USDT. When the market price drops to your target, the order will be filled automatically. On the Bitunix app, go to Futures Trading, choose Limit, and enter your price and order amount. Tap Buy Long or Sell Short to place your order. A trigger order automatically activates when the market price reaches a preset trigger point. After activation, it places either a market or limit order based on the type you selected. Example: if BTC is trading at 103,200 USDT and you want to buy after the price rises above 108,000, you can set a trigger order with a trigger price of 108,000 and a market buy order. Once the market hits 108,000, the system will execute your order automatically. On the Futures Trading page, choose Trigger Order. Enter the trigger price, order type, and quantity. Tap Confirm to place your order. To recap, use market orders for instant execution. Use limit orders to control your entry or exit price. Use trigger orders to automate trades when prices reach specific levels. Always monitor your open orders and adjust them based on market trends. That's it. You've learned how to use market, limit, and trigger orders on the Bitunix app. Mastering these order types will help you trade smarter and manage your strategy more effectively.